everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial, and today you'll be happy to know I'm going to show you this gorgeous almost braided style, but you don't need to know how to braid. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by just doing a centre part all the way down the hair. So we're going to be placing the hair into ponytails, so you can do lots of tiny ponytails if you want, or you can do chunkier ones. I'm going to go kind of in the middle. There's one pony. So you're left with that, and then you're going to mirror that on the other side. So these are our little ponytails all ready to go, and we're going to start the style now. So you're going to take top pony, and it's going to miss this one, so it's going to come underneath, and we're going to attach it onto here. So we're going to use a little red elastic on the first one. So red elastic joining those together. And then I'm going to just tease out this piece of hair here. So you can decide how big you want this. I'm going to stop there. And then you're going to come to the next ponytail. Is that a good angle? Mm-hmm. Bypass this one. Over the top it goes. And we're going to be joining it into the green. And again, you can decide how much you want to pull. And then on the last one, I'm almost doing like a little pretend one. So I'm just going to bring that down here and then just combine that there. A little pull out. This is the style complete. You could definitely do smaller ponytails if you wanted to. I love the back. You could do it maybe a little bit more of a gap if you wanted to as well. But this will definitely stay in until you take it out. Let me know in the comments what you think.